Truck company in Western Connecticut may be forced to close after almost 50 years in business, and they blame insurance premiums. The company is not the only one in our state facing problems too, and there is suspicion that insurance giants are pushing back against new rules that benefit tow truck drivers. Your reporter Owen Kingsley has more on this.
After nearly 5 decades in business, Hilario's service center, based here in Newtown, but with locations across Western Connecticut, is potentially going out of business. It's a situation that the company's owner, Paul Hilario, faced suddenly when Thursday morning he opened an email from his insurance company showing him how much it would cost to renew his policy for another year.
We were about $212,000, and our premium right now is looking at $480,000. And they want $100,000 up front.
And when is that due by?
End of business today. I'm going out today and trying to find $100 grand so I can keep this joint going, because there's 17 families that count on my place for a paycheck.
Hilario explains the tow truck industry has become much more expensive to operate for several reasons in recent years. They convinced state lawmakers to pass legislation to reform their industry, like temporarily raising their rates of pay for when they clean up cars and trucks involved in crashes on the highway, so that companies like his could stay in business. But these higher rates are being paid by the insurance companies of the vehicles involved in the crash,
which equates to the insurance companies paying more money. I believe this is retaliation for new legislation that we got passed.
Hilario is not alone. Charlie Wade suspects the same thing, as he's insured by the same company at Bud's Truck and Diesel Service in Bridgeport.
We were just under $500,000, now we're at $1.3 million. At 58 years old, I'm deciding whether I want to spend $1 million on insurance or go sit on a beach with my $1 million. And that would put about 26 people out of work.
Both men say they've heard similar stories from several other Connecticut companies. Hilario has reached out to the Connecticut Department of Insurance, but says he was told there was not much they could do to help with such short notice.
I'm telling every tower in the state of Connecticut, get on the horn with your insurance agent and your insurance company. Find out what that number's going to be.
We have reached out to Arrowhead General Insurance Agency for comment. We have not yet heard back. Your reporter in Newtown, I'm Owen Kingsley, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.